koutou, ko Georgia toku ingoa. My name is Georgia.
Sorry I was late. I got chased by a snail and then it ate my homework. In Morena Winton School, ko Logan ahau. I am Logan. Welcome back to the N.E.W.S news. Today is Raapa, the 27th of March.
Right on to health and safety news.
Keep wearing your high-vis vest, Winton. You'll never know when the next check will be.
A reminder, if you do not have your pōtae, you need to be under the sunshade in the junior eating area.
On to te Kupu or te Wiki.
Today's word is mahi. I wonder who can say this. On to Sunsmart news.
The Uv Sunsmart Index for today is medium.
On to today's notices.
Please make sure you return all sports shed gear today after lunch.
Year 5 to 8 Kapa Haka practice is in the hall today at lunchtime. Please bring your kai with you. Now, if you've missed any notices, you can either rewatch the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
And that's all for the Winton School news. Thanks for tuning in. That's all from me. Ka kite a Kupu.
And that's all from me. Stay classy, Winton School.